Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called Potion, and this is the best personalized AI videos creator software. So I myself love this type of softwares. Now you can head over to the link in the description to simply get your extended free trial as well as exclusive benefits and rewards. Now since this is a video editing or video creation AI based software, you can see we have create a new video option. Let's just click on that. It is now asking what type of video you want: a dynamic video, static video, screen recording, or if you want to upload your own video and modify it, you have that feature as well. Let's say I want to simply get your myself a static video or maybe a dynamic video. So for that we are going to be needing to upgrade, so we should go with, let's say, static video. Now it is going to be recording front camera style videos for your face. Of course you're going to be needing a camera for that. Let's just for a second go back and see what else it has to offer, talking about the features. Now if we head back, you will be able to see that we have our checklist. So in the checklist, let's check out what it has to offer. You can see we are going to be signing up on Potion. So these are the couple of things that we need to do in order to get maximum out of the software. We can simply grant the camera and mic permissions, customize video page, we can add that as well, customize domain name, record a facecam video that is going to be creating a static video, and record a dynamic video template. So in the my video section will be available the videos that you are going to be creating, and it even have this teleprompter, so you can enter your text in here, and once you enter that you will be able to use it as a teleprompter. So you can also use the cold opener as well. So this is something I really appreciate as a video editor and content creator. So something that you should try out and can boost your productivity. If you are still unsure about the platform, you can go through the reviews officially provided testimonial section on this page as well. So you can see people are saying a lot of stuff about this site as well. And if you want to know more about the platform, you can check out the frequently asked questions and a lot of that type of stuff. So why should I use this type of editor? Personalized video stands out crowded inboxes, making your outreach more engaging and relevant. Study shows they can boost response rates by up to 500%, helping you build stronger connections with prospects and increase your conversion rates. Definitely agreed. So you can head over to the link in the description to simply get your extended free trial as well as exclusive benefits and rewards on this platform. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video, guys.